My name's Timmy Cameron. I do a bunch of off-road hill climb racing. I also do some dirt late model racing also. It's a Peterbilt 389 23 model. I got with the guys at Semi Casual. I want to do something kind of different to kind of match my trailer. So we went with the North Sea Gray, the blackout package, and they knocked it out of the park. I knew I wanted a long flat nose Pete, flat top, so I kind of took that. I kind of gave them a color scheme, and we bounced back ideas. And I wanted to do a shorter sleeper. I had an older truck that had a big 12-foot sleeper on it, and I kind of, want to change it up, do something different this time, shorten the wheelbase up a little bit for some of the off-road parks we go to. The turn radius needs to be tighter to get the, 53-foot trailer in, and went with a dump truck front tire, something wider, kind of give it more of a beefier stance. And of course, everything's powder coated, all the black stuff's powder coated for ruggedness, and hopefully it'll hold up to road abuse. And all the off-road parks we go to is dirt and sometimes mud. You get we went with an air flip up bumper because we always getting stuck, and it almost breaks my heart to even know the truck's even going to be off-road, but that's what it was built for. Of course, custom built T-bar in the back, the deck plate. Of course, this truck is gooseneck. That was a big shocker to a lot of people. I wanted to get away from the fifth wheel. Some of the parks we go to, the entrance is real bad. I just didn't want to put the truck through side load and stress the frame and whatever, so went with a 3-inch gooseneck ball, which I never knew existed. I thought it was always 2 5/16, but I was able to find that, and went with it. And of course, full custom laser cut grill, and we got my logo cut in it. Of course, aftermarket headlights. We added these little fenders on the side right here to kind of keep the outer groove of the tire from slinging rocks and stuff and chips up and down the side of the truck. 8-inch stacks. They chopped the breathers. A little bit of stitch work on the interior. Painted the dash to match. Painted the gauge bezels match a paint color. But other than that, it's pretty much just sweet and simple, kind of straight to the point, and really never was built to be what I would consider like a show truck. But hey, we figured we'd bring it up here and at least let everyone see, because it kind of blew up on the internet. Everyone loved it, and of course, some hated it because there wasn't no chrome on it, but that's just kind of part of it. But heck yeah, it's been a cool project, and I'm thankful to them for letting me be a part of it.